you trying to get? Are you trying to get Mommy's plate? Come on, come get Mommy's plate.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, you're doing a good job. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, come get it.
So it's September 4th,
Yep.
2009. So he's not even 6 months old. What an animal.
Come on. Yes, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You want pizza? Show Daddy what a big boy you are. Come on. Show Daddy what a big boy you are. Good job. Good job, Jack. You got it. Yeah, you got it. You figured it out. You know how to move.
Watch out.